Welcome to your home away from home. I am excited to guide you through our campus and showcase the resort-like residence experience we offer. Here at Kirirom Institute of Technology, we have accommodations to suit every budget and every individual. Where we are standing right now is our premium residence breakout. It comes with everything you need to settle in comfortably as soon as you move in. If you prefer peace and quiet, this is perfect for you. However, if you prefer the dorm experience, you're gonna like what I am and B. Each comes with its own unique features. Our comfortable and well-equipped accommodations are designed to provide a conducive environment for both studying and socializing. And of course, our campus is equipped with advanced security measures to ensure a secure and peaceful learning environment. Our cafeteria, also known as Moringa, serves 3 meals a day and offers a variety of dishes, so you'll never have to worry about cooking. Or you can treat yourself to a delectable meal or a nice cup of coffee at our Pine View Kitchen that opens from morning until 9 p.m. One of the great things about our campus is that you've got everything you need in just one place. We've got an infirmary that provides first aids, a laundromat to do your own laundry, and a mini-mart for your snacks. A shuttle bus that runs between Phnom Penh and Kirirom, state-of-the-art facilities, sports complex, swimming pool, and a well-stocked library, offering everything you need to thrive. What's more, our vibrant community offers a variety of social and cultural activities. From clubs and events to festivals, there's always something happening on campus. There are also unparalleled opportunities for outdoor activities, including biking, hiking, and especially camping. At KIT, we believe in providing a holistic living environment that fosters personal growth and academic success. Join us and discover the difference.